At the beginning of the European session, the euro started gaining in value in an attempt to recoup some of yesterday's losses. The pound sterling also followed its counterpart, but at a significantly slower pace. Yesterday, the US dollar's appreciation was mainly caused by the announcement made by the Fed's representatives. They said that there were no inflationary risks and the indicator's rise was just a short-lived phenomenon. However, today's report on the US producer prices may show that the situation is a bit different. Economists expect a rise of 6.1%. The fact is that the producer price index is a leading indicator for inflation. It means that such a jump in producer prices will result in the consumer price acceleration. Thus, the report is likely to unveil that the situation is getting only worse. In this case, the US Fed will find it difficult to ignore the problem. The issue could be settled by monetary policy tightening. However, there is no time to prepare for such changes. That's why the regulator's actions may surprise market participants. In other words, even in the medium term, the US dollar future looks gloomy. Today, the US will disclose its unemployment claims data. However, the report will hardly affect the current state of affairs, as a decline in the number of claims is likely to be insignificant. Thus, the number of the first-time claims may drop by 47,000, whereas the number of continuing claims may slide by 50,000. It's not enough to improve the situation amid such a high unemployment rate. Let us take a look at the trading charts. Yesterday, the euro-dollar pair managed to leave their sideways channel between the levels of 1.2115 and 1.2180. During the US trading session, the price broke the lower limit of the range. Analyzing the current chart, we can see that the price rose at the beginning of the European session. However, it was just a temporary increase as sellers managed to push the price to yesterday's local low. If the price fixes below 1.2050, it may slide to 1.2000 and 1.1950. At the same time, the pound-dollar pair stopped its 45-hour fluctuation between the levels of 1.41 and 41.65. The pair dropped and broke the level of 1.4100, moving towards 1.50. On the trading chart, we can see that during the Asian session, the pair was fluctuating near the level of 1.4050. However, bears regained control at the beginning of the European trade. The price will receive support from buyers after it fixes below 1.4000. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.